Okay. Welcome back. Chevy SSR, 2005 6-speed manual. Got this about 6 months ago, and it is a hoot to drive. But Daddy Doug requested an SSR for cars and bids, so I'm gonna put it up for auction. But first, I have to fix a few things. It's very nice car, but a few ins and odds that have to be taken care of. First, I want to start with this trunk. It's supposed to pop up when you open it, and that is not working. See, it doesn't even stay up. But luckily, I have, let me keep that open. Luckily, I have these right here. That is a strut for, go right there, and I'm going to replace those so it will pop right up once it unlocks. I'll do that real quick. I haven't done it before, so I'm going to do the first side, then I'll tape the second side so that there's a video like that on the internet. I know there's probably a proper one, but with this channel, we have to go with the not so proper way, amateur doing stuff. All right, let's go. Okay, so I looked at the video. I'll put it in the link below. It's more helpful than this one's going to be, but if you want to see it from a different angle, okay, so you got to take these off. And the one problem with the video I watch is it doesn't really tell you how to take these off, so I'm kind of guessing. I don't know if you can see, but there's sort of like a clip. There's a clip, and I'm using this. So there's a clip on the top part. You can see that once you pull the clip, the top just comes out. And then over on the back side, you just pop it out. I can't really get that angle. Oh no, on the back side there is a clip. I'll see if I can get in and get that angle for you. This is IRL. Make sure I don't break the new struts, because that would just be terrible. All right, so get in the bed a little bit. All right, I hope that can be seen. Try to angle it, and there is clips. Can't seem to quite get it. I don't want to break it. Boy, is it oily. Let's see if I can get a better view. Okay. So for those of you that are still watching this video, this is hard. This is what we call frustrating, because there's another band on the bottom, but the release is much smaller. It looks like somebody tried this before and then just chose not to replace the strut. Okay, I got it. And then it's just that easy. So that's one strut out. And if we move to the other side, this is two struts out. Oh, I am sorry if I'm blinding anybody. I'm not going to edit this because we'll probably only get like a couple views. Whew. All right. So for those, if that's a better view. Ooh. Sorry about that. So if that is a better view. So that one's out. And then when I get in, ooh. I know I'm doing this real smooth. This is just a fun video. So now I go to the bottom. There, that's light's better. So let me take the top out. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I got the top. And now the bottom. The bottom's actually, it's easier if you hold it upright. I just learned that. All right, there we go. And luckily I have this box. If you can see that. Yep, holding it up. And it is a lot of weight. And you have to take them both off at the same time. Because, ooh, I almost put it on the old one. Okay, so now I'm doing, open this, brand new. See that? So if anybody's watching this that's considering buying this on Cars and Bids in like a week or two, just know that ignore the little trunk indent because I replaced these. And I'd rather have these replaced because the car needs a little painted. Oh, he was right. That guy was right. These you have to raise the trunk more to get this in. And yes, this is understandably a two-person job, but if you can get back here, you can make it a one-person job. No, I don't want to put too much stress on this. Let me hurry up. I'm holding it up. That box was not strong enough, so I'm holding it up. Getting the other one out. Hope this is still recording, because this is kind of funny on my end. I hope if you're watching this, you enjoy it on this end. So I point that in, and voila, that wasn't too bad. That's the whole process. Now let's see how it works. Oh, looky here, when I put the old ones in the box, instructions came out. Wouldn't that have been handy? Okay, I got out, and let's see how this works. Oh, that is much harder to close. Got the key right here, and that's how it's supposed to open. Just like that. Just like that.